My name is Nifty50 and welcome to my channel where I talk about stock markets for the new trader and I help investors understand the market movements and take wiser trading decisions. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about this million-dollar question which a lot of people are speculating about, that whether the stock markets are going to correct again and they are going to go as low as the March lows which we saw around 23rd March. Now, as I'm making this video, we are seeing the Nifty in the range of 11,300 to 11,400 and it has been range bound for quite a few days now. And a lot of people have been speculating that there could be another fall and there is a possibility of seeing another market crash. Now, whatever I'm going to talk now is my view based out of my judgment and experience with the stock market of the past 17 to 20 years that I have been trading and investing. I do not want anybody to take a call and just go out and take a trading decision basis what I'm talking. This is purely for educational purposes and I'm sharing my insights over here. So the situation right now is that we are at a level of 11,300 to 11,400 and there have been a lot of new investors who have just entered the market at the level of maybe between 10,000 and 10,500 when they saw the market rally and they had this fear of missing out. And there is this speculation going on in the market that will the markets crash again, and for the people who now want to invest, they are feeling that, oh, we will go and invest only when the market comes back to its March lows, which was somewhere close to 7,500 levels. And there are a lot of people who are in a worry that they have just entered at 11,000 levels and will the markets crash from here and they might lose their entire invested money. So all these speculations and worries are going on in the market, and how common sense logic works is that if the economy is not doing good, the stock market should not do good. This is a commonsensical logic which most people have. That's how we think. But in reality, stock markets do not always happen to follow that logic like of the economy, and I'll tell you why. Traditionally, we have seen that whenever there has been a kind of a recession in the market, 8 out of 10 times it has been the other way around, where the markets have shown a better rise and stocks have risen, especially in the time when there is a light at the end of the tunnel and people are seeing that, okay, it's another 6 months, there will be an end of a recession. What I feel is that the governments of the world have put in a lot of effort to give some kind of stimulus to the economy, whether it is by giving more cheaper loans, or whether it is by giving a moratorium to the loans, or whether US government has given a lot of stimulus to the economy by passing the CARES Act and giving those $1,200 checks to the people and printing a lot of money. All these measures have been taken by various governments, which is supporting the market, and we have seen a rally all the way till here. Another important thing to note here is that looking at all the vaccine trials entering its final stages, it really looks like there is light at the end of the tunnel. It looks like the coronavirus has a finite end. We are definitely going to come out of this and we will see the prosperity in the economy, which is in a way right. However, will this continue? Well, this is a million-dollar question. Anything can happen. I am not saying that the markets will rise from here. I am not saying the markets will fall from here. But one thing is very clear, that the rally which is happening right now is because markets are looking forward. They are looking 6 months down the line. Because of all these stimulus measures taken by the government, it's going to have a positive impact on the economy, and the markets will see companies getting profitable and give returns to its investors. So now, what can cause a market to fall? Well, I do not want the market to fall, but if at all there is another wave of coronavirus which is even more than what it was, then that definitely there is a chance that markets may fall. Or there is a situation between the US government and China, because of the trade war or anything that escalates, it can cause another sharp sell-off in the market, which may have a situation where we can go back to the March lows. Or there's a situation where there's tension between India, China, or there is some kind of a new event that happens which we all don't know and we have no clue and the market has no clue about, and something happens overnight because of which markets can go crashing down from here. So there is a possibility, we cannot rule out that, but we cannot always keep on speculating that the market is going to fall from here, so let's just go and short the market. That is not going to be a wise idea as well. So what should people do now? Of course, people who are investors, who have invested in the companies which have shown earnings and growth and they have shown high return on capital employed, these are the companies where people should stay invested, and definitely if the market falls down, they should invest further and average out so that they have a better chance of making a better wealth by the end of 3 or 4 year horizon which they have set for themselves. However, people who are trying to short the market, I would say this is not a very good time to short the market as well, because we do not know what's going to happen tomorrow. You might just end up making a huge loss just because you short the market. So that is another possibility. So I hope that the points that I have made help you take wiser trading decisions and be more profitable by trading and investing in the stock markets. Thank you for watching.